In this video, we will install the button panels while mounting the gauge cluster. The accessory button that comes installed is a momentary switch for use with the fog lamp circuit. If you need a standard toggle switch, swap it out with a spare switch in the kit. Use hardware from K21B and M21A to install the first button panel. Start at the bottom and install the longer spacer between the panel and the cluster. Install the shorter spacer between the cluster and the chassis. Install the nylock nut. At the top, the short spacers go on both sides of the cluster. Repeat these steps to install the other button panel. Use a 3/16 Allen and 7/16 wrench to tighten the hardware. Feed the pink, black, gray, and white wires of the button harness toward the passenger panel. Push the pairs of wires a little ways onto the buttons. The connectors are very hard to remove once they are installed, so you'll want to test the system before pushing the connectors all the way on. Connect the orange, yellow, green, and brown wires to the driver's side panel. Just like before, don't push them all the way on. Disconnect the negative side of the battery. Pull the button harness under the dash bar. Strip the ends of the wires in the button panel harness and in the main harness. Add a short piece of heat shrink to each of the main harness wires. Then twist the wire pairs together. Most wire pairs will have matching colors. However, the early models will have a yellow wire that will connect to one of the two pink wires from the main harness. Use a multimeter to check which of the two pink wires has continuity to the pink wire going into the back of the cluster. This pink wire is the one that needs to connect to the yellow wire. After twisting all of the wire pairs together, solder each pair. Trim the ends of the solder joints and then fold them flat. Slide the heat shrink over each joint and use heat to shrink it. Reconnect the battery and turn on the ignition. The gauge cluster should light up. Test the turn signals and the buttons in the button panels. If anything isn't working, double check your connections. Use small zip ties to tidy up the harness behind the button panel. Push the connectors all the way onto the buttons. Wiggling the connectors side to side will help them go on. Follow the same steps to tidy up the wires on the other panel. Then push the connectors all the way on. Tuck the harness up against the dash bar and then zip tie the wires in place.